To withdraw tokens on the FTX exchange, you follow the same procedure. You log into your FTX account. You can use this on your mobile phone or your laptop. You click on wallet. You select withdraw. You search for the desired token you want to withdraw. In this case, I'll choose Ethereum. Then you enter your amount. You enter your Ethereum address. You select the withdrawal method, if it is Ethereum chain, Solana chain, Arbitrum, or BSC network. And then you enter your 2FA code, then click on withdraw. And also, Ethereum withdrawal is free for Arbitrum, BSC, and Solana network. Good luck.